The power of theatre is that you get people in the same space and you get them to experience a collective story. This is a story that's absolutely about connecting with other people.
It's good to have a big company to sort of fall back on. You're not on your own, because often a writer's sitting there for hours, days sometimes, you know, trying to craft some strange thought. And the fact that there are people to run it by who, you know, in a big organisation, let's be honest, you know, it's the National Theatre Wales.
We try to redress that power balance between what an arts organisation is and the way they relate to communities. So through everything we do runs this idea of social change, education and upskilling people and giving them the tools they need to then embark on creative projects of their own.
Whereas I always thought theatre had to be on stage or to do with acting and just wasn't a part of my world. So seeing what National Theatre Wales was doing inspired me to think that I could actually turn my animations into a performance.
I've been writing for a good few years now, just sort of plugging away and people saying to me, oh, you are good. But it's kind of like when your mum tells you you're pretty, you're like, yeah. But now I think, yeah, maybe I am quite good.
Working with National Theatre Wales means working together with people throughout communities. I think in the current climate, people are very polarised on one issue or another. And through the arts, we can really bring people together, bring communities together to work towards a common goal.